Alrighty, Curtis, here's your 427 FE. Your description is accommodated. Got a set of our new cylinder heads on it. Obviously, we got it all blued out for you at your request. Rock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSC Pro billet, custom grind solid roller. Go in there and make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, Curtis, 3,300, 499 foot-pounds of torque. That's where it peaks right there. Pretty flat all through there. 492 foot-pound, or excuse me, horsepower. So it runs really good. We're rated at 470. That's the new head. So everything's good. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. See if your engine find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card. It is full of technical information. In your crate will be this engine spec sheet. It'll have a lot of information there. I highly recommend reading it all. Have a great day.